this might be right. Either you feel it or you don't, might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want, let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Asteria Hair. These are the things that they sent over in the package. This is the wig that we're going to be doing today. This is a 5x5 pre-cut kinky straight wig. It's 22 inches. I'm showing you guys the construction of the wig. 2 clips on the side, an elastic band, and a clip on the back. And I like that the elastic band was in the middle, like right at the closure, so that it can help it lay flat. And I like that the elastic band was stretchy. Some of them are like really stiff, but I like this one because it's stretchy and it's more comfortable. For this wig, all I had to do was tint my lace. So I'm just tinting my lace with my Even lace tinting spray in the darkest brown color. And then and then elastic band, it is adjustable and it is removable, so I just put it back on there. And now I'm just going to put it on with the elastic band first, and of course you can adjust the tightness to your comfort level. And then we're just going to slap that bad boy on. It is nice and snug on my head, and I'm just adjusting it. So like I said, this is the kinky straight texture. This is what it looks like straight out of the pack. It is very flowy, it's very full, it's very long. I'm about to just add a couple little baby hairs to the side. So I'm just pulling those out. I'm going to cut them, and then I'm just going to swoop them with my Nairobi mousse. Okay, now I'm just clipping all the hair back because I'm going to add the band. I'm just using my Asteria band, and now I am going to add a very small layers to the front of my hair. Y'all know I love to frame my face, so I'm just cutting layers in the front so that it can really accentuate the face, because I just think it always looks better when you have a couple layers and you're framing your face. So like I said, I was just doing very small layers, so that didn't take long at all. Now I'm just going to clip my hair into 2 sides, and then I'm going to start on one side at the back like I usually do, and we're just going to straighten the hair. So I'm just straightening the hair all over. I'm using the chase comb method, and I'm just doing that all over my head. I believe my flat iron was like either on 400 or 450. Okay, so I'm pretty much done straightening this side of the hair, and then I just had to go back and clip it a little bit because I really wanted it to just like frame and be like the I'm stuttering, but I wanted the layers to like really flow all the way down like they do. So I'm just taking my hair off on the other side so I could show you guys the difference of what it looks like in its natural state, and when you straighten it, it's a lot silkier and movable on the other side. Both sides are beautiful, but of course I prefer the straightened side. It's just much more manageable for me, and y'all know I am not a fan of like really big hair. So yeah, I love that I could straighten it, and whenever I straighten the hair, I feel like it gives me like more of a natural texture, like my own texture. This is how my hair would look if it was straightened. I have really thick textured hair, so it definitely mimics my hair texture.
Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us, how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't know, they don't know.
Okay, now that I'm done, I'm just adding the final touches. I'm just using my hot comb on the middle part a little bit, and I'm just making sure that everything is nice and flat. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the elastic band. This is definitely not necessary. I just did that because I wanted my baby hairs to lay nice and flat, and then I'm going to use my hot comb so I can lay my edges going to the back so it can give it like a natural look. So like I said, this is a pre-cut wig. I did not have to do anything when it came to that. Now I'm going to add a little bit of concealer so I can define my part. I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like, how much movement and body it has. Like, it definitely just looks like I just got my hair pressed at the salon. You can't tell me this ain't my real hair. Look at the body, yaddy yaddy. It's 22 inches long. It is nice and shiny, and I love the density on it. It looks very natural. I'm just showing you guys the hairline and how good it looks. Like, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. I said it again, you cannot tell me. And of course, it's not my hair because I can just lift it up. It is completely glueless, so if you like to throw your wigs on and go, this is the perfect wig for you, especially if you're a beginner. I'm giving you guys even more up close looks of it. They did a good job of plucking the hairline and everything, so I would definitely recommend this wig if you like it. I'll have all the links down below in the description. Thank you so much, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't step on the trip.